Okay, here we go. This is the country draw, actually. Country draw for World Cup Prizm Soccer. This will be 6-box break, number 8, 2 random teams. So here you go. Here's every, these are tier 2s. Okay, so we'll randomize all of these one time. Well, however many times the dice says, but there's everybody in the break. Okay, so we'll roll the die. 1 and 2 as I re-roll 8-sided die. Good luck. 3. Going 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. There's your order, people. Sorry, CD. I guess you got cut off there. Put you down here in P. Do tier 2 next. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. Australia, Croatia on bottom, Honduras on top, and the goods. 1, 2, and 3. Brazil on bottom, USA on top. Alright, listen up. These are your teams. J period, Honduras, and USA. Make this bigger. There you go. CD Macintosh, Italy, Iran, France, Ivory Coast, Equator, Euchre, Netherlands, and Japan, the Hoff, Colombia, and Nigeria, Euchre, Cameroon and Chile, Korea, CD Macintosh, Germany and Ghana, Euchre, England and Algeria, Big Pharma, 52, Mexico and Costa Rica, Bama, Belgium, Uruguay, Switzerland, Argentina, Greece, Portugal, Russia, Euchre, Spain and Bosnia, Cheppy, Brazil, Australia, and Croatia for J period. So there you go. Give you a couple minutes to do some trading, and then we'll start ripping.